And do you guys know who is the most dangerous man on earth? Any man with a voice is more dangerous than Eskom with stage 8 of load shedding. Any man with a voice is more dangerous than lightning that was sent specifically from Hamashashane to Dobsonville Extension 3, Nasemesi Park, Esasol Garage. I know where your address is when you know who I'm talking about. I'm gonna send that lightning to you. I don't care. You know, yani amukela kumqobo yami bomtaba kadade bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-auntie bomtaba kasase. I am Sims and that's the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. So if you want more traffic on your platforms, Musharek Amukhala, I have got you covered. I'm not dressed like this because I'm trying to be disrespectful to you, fashionically. Okay? I am currently on set. As you can see, I'm currently on set. So that eh, Angie Muteja English, please don't run away when I need you. So I'm currently on set. We are in between takes. So I thought I'd use this time to also do my 9 to 5, because you know me, I work at work. I touch this, I touch that, I move this, I move that. I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere, except in the Department of Education, clearly. But yeah, guys, so I'm currently on set and I just came straight to shoot. Yeni na, there is a new show in town about Slay Queens. Guess who is in her prime? About that documentary, Cyan Bush, Ino Murlo. They are interviewing them, and none other than the lady that knows the biggest Sangoma, Jackie Pamutsu. Jackie, I'm lying. Please don't make my car park inside a Sasol garage. I don't even have wheels. I don't even have wheel alignment, Jackie. So please don't, don't. I know African engineering. I saw. Ngiyadlala, Jackie. Before we go any further, guys, I have got the lovely Keketso, who is the owner of Ubukosi Enhanced Beauty at its peak, guys. She is a self-taught makeup artist who used makeup as a tool, yeah, to bring out your natural and inherent beauty, okay? Now, Ubukosi Enhanced is a name that she was given by her grandmother, which is Umako Sazana. Growing up, she struggled with bad skin. So she used makeup to bring out that extra confidence, okay? And she is offering her services to all of us. So if when umuhle vele, no umuhle, but you just want that vava, that vuvu, okay? Kekezo has got you covered. She does house calls. She's available on weekends and before 7:30 during the week. But she makes exceptions. Her makeup is affordable only from 450 rand. Nah. And then obviously when you call her out, you must transport her out. Okay? So yeah, guys, please use her services. You're going to the meetings, you're going to the weddings, you're going to the graduations. So do the right thing for you and for me and the entire human race. Ah, now let us talk about the new show that has got social media up in arms. Okay, it is called Slay Queens. It's basically a documentary about the social uh, lifestyle of baddies and slay queens and what it constitutes to be a baddie and what it constitutes to be a slay queen. Cyan, this is very much aligned with Cyan. She will be on the show. Mr. Jazzy Q will be on the show. Ino Murulong, he went, yeah, Ino Murulong, who recruits beautiful ladies to come to the VIP section. If you're beautiful and you don't have enough clothes on your body, you come to Murulong's section, and then she makes sure that you have a good time. She's also going to be on the show being interviewed. And guess who? Guess who? None other than our author of Bear, the character of Treasure herself, Jackie Pamut, is also going to be interviewed on this documentary. So a lot of people are just like, is there anything else you can give us, honestly? South African television? Is this what you can offer us? Like you're always, always, always highlighting the bad parts of our black culture. Hmm? How about shows that empower, aspire, inspire? No, you're always doing the Vinky Vonko, Mariski, Marosco. We are tired. So I will definitely watch. I will definitely watch because I want to see. I want to see. But I know they're not going to give us enough information. But I just want to see. Now let us talk about my colleague, who is my colleague on YouTube and my colleague in the divorce queue, Khomotso, gorgeous, beautiful girl Ramano. Now we all know that Khomotso is no longer a Mrs. She split from her ex-husband. Tell me why this man, who I've never heard talking, or he's only said 2 or 3 sentences, is now an author, a motivational speaker. He's all over my TikTok. He's all over my social media. So now there is a latest post from him that a lot of people were sending on my DMs. And this post was him finally speaking on his side of the story. And basically, he is telling us that there is no man that will wake up and leave his family. It means that it has been years of silent pain and going through it because all as a man he is supposed to do is provide, protect. You understand that? So now he's saying, Hore, but what about the pain I was going through? No man will leave his house if there is nothing that propelled him and hurt him. It's not a decision that he made overnight. No, he did not make this decision overnight. It is the silent pain he was feeling, the hurt and the suffering that he never spoke about. So, before we start opening our mouth, Sims and your managers and your friends, you don't know what I've been through. Yes, when Maya Angelo was a box back. I hear you. Nyakuzwa Golide. Nyakuzwa. How. Now I'm just saying those marathons are coming into play. You guys, I want a breakup. I want a breakup. Heartbreaking J. You will become Maya Angelo from Kurumani. You'll become Maya Angelo from Begasdal. Buzamina, I was writing. I was on the verge of opening a church. I was like, yeah, it takes a certain type of woman to walk away. Kiri, you know when you in your heartbreak era, you gym, you open a business, you do notebooks, you are in your peak close season because you want to show them. You want to show them that I'm down, but not down under, down besides. You're doing the matrix. Hola, yo, you break up. Nya, giyayi, zonda. Okay? But Mamela, I just want Khumuto to keep moving the way she's moving. Silence, my baby. Tula, Tula, Tula. We just keep seeing your post. We just keep liking your post. We'll just, yeah, Khumuto. That's what we'll keep doing, man. I'm not saying the man is wrong in acrimony, but I'm a woman, so obviously I will take this side of the journey. Guys. Uh, uh. Voroso. Botsang nna ka Voroso. Ke tseba gantle ya ko Roots. Le ya ko Checkers. Le ya ko Pick n Pay family. So in acrimony, even if I'm on the wrong, I'm on the wrong. And cut. Kunini ngizothi